Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the steps you should have completed in August to get into your dream US university in fall of 2022. My name is Gaurav Musle and I'm the founder of Green Card Easy. At Green Card Easy, we help international students get into their dream universities in the US. And you know what the best part is? We provide all this information for free at greencardeasy.net. In today's video, we want to focus just on the tasks you should have completed in August. If you're looking for information on the international students application process, check out our step-by-step guide to studying the USA video. We've left the link in the description below. So let's get back to what you should have completed in August. By now, you should have started your university applications and have your statement of purpose and letters of recommendations ready. If you haven't done it yet, don't worry. Try to complete them as soon as possible, ideally in September. So what exactly is a statement of purpose? A statement of purpose, commonly referred to as an SOP, is a personal statement or an essay you have to write as part of your admissions process. It is your chance to tell the admission committee about yourself, your aspirations, and how you would add value to the program. In short, it's your best opportunity to impress the admission committee and win them over. Make sure you do a thorough job. Don't rush through it. A powerful SOP can not only get you into your dream university, but also improve your chances of getting financial aid. After all, who doesn't like to save money, right? In our next video, we will share tips on the do's and the don'ts to write a kick-ass SOP and win over the admission committee. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. The SOP is written by you. On the other hand, a letter of recommendation is an excellent way for others to speak highly of you, your skill, and your strengths. Outstanding letters of recommendation can make your application stronger. However, they must be written by the right people. These include your professors, your mentors, and employers. Your mom or BFF? Not so much. Did you know that a grammatical mistake or a typo could damage your application and cost you an acceptance? Don't shoot yourself in the foot. Make sure to have experts review your documents. At Green Card Easy, our team of US-based experts can help for a very affordable price. Check out the expert help section at greencardeasy.net. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos just like this one. Next week, we will focus on September tasks, so I hope to see you then. From all of us at Green Card Easy, thanks for watching.